Hey guys, so we're starting in level G to find the mean. So from your vocab that you guys did, it says, what is the mean? The mean means the average of all the numbers divided by how many numbers you have. So these numbers right here need to be added together and then divided by how many you have. So I'm going to use my calculator. I have one right here. You guys can use your phones if you want, but I'm going to use this one so you guys can see me typing. So we have 73, and then plus 76 plus 72 plus 73 plus, and I'm going to hit enter. Okay, so I have 370, so I'm going to write this here just that way you guys can see it. Put it in a darker color. So we have 370, and then we have to divide it by how many numbers we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so you have 5 numbers, so you're going to divide by 5. Okay, so over here, remember to hit equals first, so that way it reads your total before you divide. Okay, so then once you hit equals and you get 370, you're going to divide by 5 because you have 5 numbers. So I'm going to do 370 by 5. The nice part about this calculator kind of shows up like this, like the way we're used to writing it. So I am going to put the Desmos link in here for you if you want to use this. Plus, it shows you what you last did, kind of like the calculators in class. And then hit enter. Your answer's here, 74. Let's go back to this. Then 74. Hit submit. Okay, and then let me just erase. Okay, so now this is a longer one. So same thing, we have to, it says mean, we have to add all these together and divide by how many we have. So I'm going to type in 52 plus 49 plus 66, 70 plus 55 plus 73 plus 52 plus 63. Remember, I want to hit enter. So I get 480. I'm going to put my number here so we can see it. 480. And then remember, we have to divide by how many numbers we have. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 numbers, so we have to divide by 8. Hey guys, I'm just writing the numbers on top just that way you visually can see where I'm getting the bottom number from. Normally you would just count it. You wouldn't have to label it. But if you want to label it so you have everything written down, you can on a piece of paper. So now I have to rewrite it. I have 480 divided by 8 because I have 8 numbers. And my average is 60. Okay, let me erase this. I'll do one more with you guys. Okay, so again, find the mean. We have to add all these numbers together and then divide by how many we have. So in my calculator, I'm going to go 96 plus 99 plus 97 plus 97 plus 98 plus 89. Enter or equals. So I'm going to write that here so I have it. You guys might write it on a piece of paper that's in front of you. So I have 5 576, and then I have to divide it by how many numbers I have. I have 1 number, 2 numbers, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. So I'm going to divide by 6. So over here, I'm going to type my total, 576, and I'm going to divide it by how many numbers I have. I have 6 numbers, and I'm going to hit equals or enter. And my average, my mean, is 96. That's the average of all of these numbers. Think about it like if those were grades in the grade book, which would be awesome. Let's say you got like all test grades, you got 90, 96, 99, 97, 97, 98, 89. And in order to find your average, if these were test grades, if I added them up and divided by 6, that would have been your average for all the tests you took, let's say this marking period. So just a way to think about it when you're thinking about averages, it's all your numbers added up, divided by how many you have to find your average. Okay, so hit submit. Okay, and that's pretty much it. So you guys are going to work on that. Look, I just solved a couple of them. My score is pretty good. So take your time on these. Like you see, like this one has a lot of numbers. So really just take your time. Be careful that what you're typing in is what you're typing in. You might want to have scrap paper to at least write the total and then divide by so you don't miss anything. And just be really careful of what you add together that you don't make a silly mistake because then, IXL drops you down in a score. Right, so good luck. Your goal is definitely between a 90 and 100%. I really should be seeing almost hundreds on all of these. Good luck. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to email me and ask any questions you may have. Good luck.